Hey guys, I am back and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys we're gonna be talking about tips on how to get free products, PR packages, or sponsored products from different companies. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. If you guys watch my unboxing video, I would like to say thank you and I really appreciate it, guys. So did not watch any like tutorial or anything na how to receive this free products, I'm just gonna share to you guys my tips. Maybe makatulong siya sa inyo para makareceive din kayo ng mga free products. So as you can see, meron akong kudigo dito guys. Babasahin ko lang yung mga nilista ko dito. This one is I'm using a lapel microphone and this is also a free product. They send it for free. This is one of the best seller lapel microphone. So they have like a 5,000 plus reviews and it's a lot of positive reviews. So but this one really works good and now I'm using it. It's a free product, so I am also using it right now. I'd like to say thank you to Zeno. Ito na guys, number one tip ko sa inyo guys is make unboxing videos, haul videos, or review of a product. Anything guys, if you have a new phone na nabili, unbox mo siya, ipakita mo yung packaging niya, ipakita mo yung yung mga features niya, and also when you showed it in the camera, make sure na malapit talaga yung product sa camera guys, like ganun talaga, diba? Yung have you guys seen like yung mga when they hold like a product, ginaganon talaga nila, like very closed up talaga guys, ganyan, because yan yung gusto ng mga companies na they want their product to be out there guys. Yan yung first tip ko, make unboxing video. You don't need to like talk when you do unboxing, you just like focus on the product. So yan guys, unboxing, haul videos, make a review of a product na nabili mo, kahit ano, just go unbox it guys. Okay, so punta na tayo guys sa number 2. Number 2 tips ko guys is create a playlist on your YouTube channel. So this is very helpful to guys. So if you guys don't know how to create a playlist, there's a lot of tutorial on YouTube and it's really easy guys to make a playlist. I think if you have a niche and you do all unboxing videos, then it's okay not to create a playlist. But if you have like a different type of videos, like you do vlogs, you do unboxing, you do family vlogs like that, you need to create a playlist para madaling makita ng viewers mo kung what type of video are you making. Are you just doing all unboxing or just all these random videos? Like me, I have random videos, I have travel videos, sometimes a live stream. I create playlist para madaling makita ng aking viewers mo, ito yung makeup videos niya, ito yung unboxing niya. Third tips natin is organize your YouTube channel. Let's show you a quick video. I'm not sure if you can do it on your phone, but I think it's easy when you do it on the computer. So you need to do it on your computer or laptop, okay, if you want to organize your YouTube channel guys, or customize your channel. You can see it on your homepage. Okay, I'm gonna show you a quick demo on how to do that, but let me just do I want to record my screen right now so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Ito yung playlist ko guys. What you can do guys, you can customize your homepage, okay? So when we click the customize channel, yan, as you can see guys, meron tayo ditong channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. So meron din tayong featured video for returning subscribers. So for me, this is important over here. So maybe kaya ako nakakatanggap ng free products from this company because as you can see naman guys, yung aking featured video is unboxing siya and I am promoting a product over here. Same sa aking trailer. For people na hindi pa sila nakasubscribe sa aking channel, ito yung unang lalabas sa homepage ko. If they click my name, like YouTube channel name, then they will see na yung first video ko is or trailer is itong eye massager. Is also like a product review, testing a product. Both of these videos are all sponsored video or free products na pinadala lang nila sa akin. Okay, so this is my playlist. So ito yung itsura niya. You can move this around, guys. For example, merong company nga na naligaw, then makikita nila si She Beauty, she's doing unboxing video. Sineparate ko yung unboxing video ko para maging featured siya sa aking channel. As I said, guys, if you make a video about unboxing or testing a product, then makikita nila yung video mo na similar sa product nila, then they will approach to you and they will offer you a free product. Okay, it's not only like unboxing a product, guys. If you do like a mukbang video, other companies see like, oh, you like eating, and they will provide you food as well. For example, binibenta nila, then that's also the other option. It doesn't need to be like product review or about product unboxing, you know. It depends. Yung mga mas sikat na artista, guys, you don't need to do like this unboxing all the time, or you know, they have already a lot of followers, so companies already like reaching out to them all the time just to mention their products, and they get paid. But me, I don't get paid. I get free products. I don't mind because it's free and I like receiving free products. The good thing about it also is they don't like pressure me. They don't tell me like, oh, you need to make this video already because we sent you the product like a month ago, guys. I have a product here that I haven't like reviewed yet, and it's already been here like for a month, but I don't have time yet to make a video kasi busy din ako minsan, guys. This is the Studio 12 free product na na-receive ko, guys. I'm really happy kasi after this, sunod-sunod na yung mga products na na-receive ko, okay? Hindi pa ako monetize noon. Hindi pa umabot ng 1,000 subscribers yung subscribers count ko. So, you don't really need to have a big follower or monetize to get free products. You just need to like make sure like when you make a video, make it clear. Next is put your email or contact information on your about section. So as you can see, guys, I will show you my about section over here. You have to put your email address, guys. Sinulat ko din dito, guys, for business and inquiries and collaboration. Email address over here, sheilaph88@gmail.com. That's how the company will reach out to you, guys, through email address. So you have to put this on your about section. Some people, they put it in every video. They always put their email address, but me, I don't put it because I'm kind of lazy and I always like forget. If they really want to like reach me out, then they will check it out in my about section, and so far they reach out to me at madami-dami do yung nag-reach out sa akin, guys. Sometimes I cannot handle it, like too much for me, like products to handle. Like always check your email. Me, I always check my email, guys. Every day ko siyang check. Every time I open my phone, I always check my email address, and also check your spam also, because sometimes I don't know why napupunta sa spam yung mga messages nila. Like this one, guys, this is the lapel mic microphone. When they message me first time, napunta sa spam yung message nila. Tapos I was like, bakit naka-spam to? Baka ano to, diba? Like virus or something. They sent me like a long message, like they said like, they saw my YouTube channel and they think that I needed a microphone para ma-improve daw yung quality ng aking voice, which is really true kasi my voice is not really good and I don't have a microphone on my camera. So I checked the product on Amazon kasi sabi nila nasa Amazon daw. So when I checked the product, I was like, oh, this one is very popular because this is one of the bestseller lapel mic on Amazon. Oh, okay, I think this one is legit. So I tried contacting them and send them a message. Like, I also let them know that I wasn't able to like reply your message right away kasi yung message mo ay napunta siya sa spam. Telling them about like, I checked your product on Amazon and I would really love to try your product, and I really appreciate if you like send it to me. And then they reply to me, okay, I'm gonna send you the product right now, like that. So ganyan lang siya, guys. So not only this one, like meron ding iba. Yung juicer ko, may nag-send sa akin ng juicer. That one also is napunta siya sa spam. But as I said, you need to check your spam also because yung ibang companies, when they try to reach out to you, napupunta yung message nila sa spam. So I don't know why, but you still need to be careful, okay? Be aware lang siguro. And next is reach out to small companies. Yung mga company guys na nagsisimula pa, they need people na magre-review ng kanilang product or magre-recommend ng kanilang product. That's why like a lot of companies maybe go to YouTube kasi alam nila merong mga YouTuber na nagpo-promote ng products. So that's why they ended up sending products. Like for me, I'm a small YouTuber. There's an example. I have a friend na meron na siyang YouTube, but she is more on Instagram, okay? She's a makeup artist here. She's a Pinay. So sabi niya sa akin, like, try to reach out this one kasi she received a product from this company. Sabi niya, bago lang tong company to, they're looking for like a reviewer like that. Like, try sending them a message, tell them like you want to try their product, baka mapili ka nila. Tried sending a message like, I'm a small YouTuber and I saw your product and it looks really nice. Like, it would be nice if I get it for free and I'll make like a video and I will upload it on YouTube. I was surprised, like, yeah, they sent it to me. They asked my address. All of a sudden, I was like maybe 2 weeks after I received it. I didn't even expect it because they did not confirm that they will send it to me. Eyeshadow siya, guys. My plan was like to do like swatches first and unbox it first, but my second other plan is to actually use it. But hindi ko siya nagawa kasi naging busy ako at nakalimutan ko na siyang gawa ng video. But I was surprised because send me guys another eyeshadow, different different, actually meron ako, ito siya Novio yung pangalan niya guys. Dalawa yung sinend nila the second time. So I was surprised kasi hindi ako nakagawa ng makeup video using their eyeshadow product. Hindi ko pa siya nabuksan, hindi ko pa siya nagamit, as you can see. Pero they did not send me like any message like, hey, what happened to the product that we sent you? I didn't even post this one on Instagram. So, but yeah, they're from Instagram. So, the first company na I decided to reach out, but on my YouTube channel, all my mostly unboxing video guys, they are all free. This company reached out to me, they sent it to me for free. Totally free guys, like with shipping and everything. I don't need to pay anything, you know what I mean? Because before, there's some companies that they try to reach out to me and they tell me like they're gonna send me a free products, but I need to pay shipping. So I was like, I'm not that desperate to receive a product, so I'm not gonna pay anything, you know what I mean? If you really want to send the product to me for free, just send it to me totally free, you know. But I'm just being like, I want it totally free, diba? Some people probably they will pay, but no, I suggest do not pay anything if they tell you pay for shipping. No, not gonna do that. Yun na nga, guys. Try to reach out like, hey, I'm a small YouTuber and I really want to try your product like that. I would appreciate if I can get it for free, and then I just gonna make a video for you. I will promote your product. I will post it on social media, ganon. So just do your best. Like if you want, really just try to reach out. Kung ano yung agreement nyo na you said, oh, I'm gonna make a video, then make the video. Do not abandon them. And also, if you cannot make the video right away, that's why very important is you communicate with them, okay? For example, the studio, my first ever free product na na-receive ko is yung earbuds, yung pink one, the Studio 12. So, yan yung first product na na-receive ko, okay? But that's not the first time na that company sent me. After that, I received another earbuds. Iba yung style. So, I have the Studio Femme. I have the Studio It. I have 3 earbuds from this company, Studio, okay? And the other one is, I have it here on my side. I have the speaker. As you can see, guys, that is also a Studio. Okay, this is the speaker. They also sent me a speaker. So, that's why I said, you need to make the video. If you have agreement now, okay, you will make the video for them. Make the video. That's why you need to communicate to them, because it's not only a one time, it could be like second time, third time product that they will send you for free. So the same also with the eye massager and the neck massager. That one also is a same company.